Have you heard about that expensive weight loss medication everyone's talking about? Yes, the one that works but comes with a long list of side effects, including a warning for thyroid tumors and even cancer risk. Scary, right? Well, what if I told you there's a simple 1-cup drink you can make at home that works in a similar way to boost fat loss, but it's 100% natural, safe, and affordable? Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to make it, why it works, and the best time to drink it for maximum results. Now, I'm not here to sell you a pill or some magic powder. I'm here to share a natural method that's been backed by science, made with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. This drink helps boost your metabolism, control your appetite, and support healthy digestion, all while keeping your body away from harmful chemicals or dangerous side effects. Why people compare it to weight loss medication? So here's the science in simple words. Popular weight loss injections work by increasing something called GLP-1 in your gut. This molecule signals your brain that you're full, so you eat less. It also slows down how fast food leaves your stomach, which keeps you satisfied for longer. But here's the cool part, research shows we have natural foods that can boost GLP-1 levels too. That means we can trigger a similar appetite control effect without the risks or crazy price tag. The 4 powerful ingredients. 1. Psyllium husk. This natural fiber expands in your stomach after you drink it, creating a gentle, full feeling that helps control cravings. It also supports healthy digestion and keeps blood sugar steady, which means fewer spikes and crashes that trigger hunger. 2. Turmeric, curcumin. You've probably heard turmeric is great for inflammation, but research shows curcumin can also naturally boost GLP-1 levels. That means it helps you feel full longer, plus it can reduce water retention and bloating, making your waistline look slimmer. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, which helps your body burn fat instead of storing it. It also helps prevent sugar spikes after meals, keeping your energy stable and reducing cravings for sweets. 4. Green tea, preferably matcha. Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that revs up your metabolism and supports fat burning. Matcha is even better because it has a higher concentration of EGCG, giving you an extra boost. How to make the drink? Here's how to prepare your fat loss cup. Boil 1 cup of water. Steep a green tea bag, or matcha, in it for a few minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Stir well, let it thicken slightly, and if you like, sweeten with a little stevia. No sugar, no insulin spike. When to drink it for best results? Drink it before breakfast to help control your appetite all morning. Or drink it before lunch if you struggle with afternoon snacking. If your problem is eating too much at night, have it before dinner to naturally eat less. This drink is powerful, but it's not magic. Pair it with a balanced diet, less sugar, fewer processed foods, and more whole, anti-inflammatory meals, and you'll see results much faster. Try it daily for at least 3 weeks, and track your progress. If you want a full step-by-step fat loss plan that works naturally, I've linked my complete weight loss program in the description below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural weight loss tips, and share this with someone who's been looking for a safe, effective way to drop those extra pounds.